Alpengroup is a proactive environmental protection organization where dedicated volunteers involve the public in supporting important preservation initiatives to restore the natural beauty of Lake Tahoe. Right now, the Jewel of the Sierras is facing a plant and animal invasion that is affecting the natural habitat of lake life and reducing water quality. The culprit is the Asian clam, a non-native invasive species that has boomed in Lake Tahoe. Since 2002, Alpengroup and marine specialists from the University of California, Davis and the University of Nevada, Reno have seen almost a 60% increase in Asian clam populations. In 2008, scientists quantified the clam populations at 50 to 3,000 clams per square meter. The Asian clams create what are called beds on the lake bottom. The clam populations reproduce twice a season, quickly making them a dominant species in Lake Tahoe. These tiny invertebrates' impact on the environment is undeniable. The white clam beds layer the lake, intertwined within the weeds. The clams compete for limited space and precious resources with local native species. As they filter water, they excrete nitrogen and phosphorus into the lake, causing spurts of algae to grow. With the Truckee River as the only outlet for Tahoe, the algae quickly reduce lake clarity and water quality. The increase in algae decreases plankton populations that are vital to native species survival. The clams produce calcium deposits harmful for local fish, and their shell deposits aesthetically degrade beaches. In the interest of protecting Lake Tahoe's natural state, Alpengroup volunteers are working on controlling the Asian clams populations and stopping their reach to prevent the clams from spreading to the Truckee River and connected water sources. Here, we see volunteer divers from the Tahoe Divers Conservancy working with Alpengroup to suck up the lake sediment to study Asian clam populations. Using special equipment in specifically marked out areas of study, scientists vacuum up the bottom of the lake bed. Maneuvering the cumbersome equipment with care, they leave only the bluish rock bed behind. The tubes transporting samples are connected to special equipment above surface. The volunteers and scientists participating in the dive collect the sediment full of clams in these containers and study the samples to discover information about the species and its vitality in Lake Tahoe. Coordinating these dives is imperative to information gathering needed to find a solution to dealing with the invasive species. Alpengroup has come up with a method of controlling the Asian clam population. The science is simple. Volunteers place these matted, non-toxic bottom barriers over clam bed populations to suffocate the clams and stop them from reproducing. Alpengroup and the Tahoe Divers Conservancy have used this technique to control invasive plant species that have taken over miles of lake bed, and they have seen great results with the process. Donations supporting this kind of action-oriented problem-solving are essential in the continued effort to protect Lake Tahoe. With your help, Alpengroup volunteers are able to work on maintaining Lake Tahoe's natural condition and controlling the invasive species that threaten the careful balance of this ecosystem so that we may all enjoy the benefits of a clean and healthy lake.